Hope you guys are all having a great day. It's Tech Tutorials here, and today I'll be showing you an easy step-by-step tutorial for any beginner out there to upload their first YouTube video. So right here, we're going to go down to www.youtube.com/upload. It'll take you to the screen right here, and over here to the side, you have some extra things that, because you're not really advanced yet, because you're still uploading our YouTube video, but Google Photos, if you have that, you might import videos from that. Live streaming, you guys probably know what that is, and Premiere's building the hype for your new video. But here, this is where you actually start uploading your YouTube video. So first of all, you want to say if you're going to make your video public, unlisted, private, or scheduled. Most of you guys are probably going to make your video public, so you want to go on and click that. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to make it private because I'm not actually trying to upload the video. So you're going to click this red link right here, and you want to upload the file from your computer. Open. And now it'll upload this bar, and when it's finished, then you'll be done. So here you want to write your title, and whatever title you want, like how to, for me it'd be like a how to blah 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 blah. And now you have your description. And description, you basically tell your viewers something that you can't really fit into the video, but you still want to tell them, and it's important that you feel that it add value to your content. So that's where you'd write that right there. And tags are basically how to target keywords for people who search on YouTube through the search engine. So your video will start uploading, and this bar will fill up. And for most computers, they'll take around a minute and a half. For fast computers, they'll take like 45 seconds. And this is also a Premiere on how to, build the hype. And you could go through advanced settings and comments and all this stuff like that, but you guys probably don't need to touch on that. You just have to fill out this basic info. So when your processing is over, you click done, and yeah, your YouTube video's uploaded and your content's published online. So yeah guys, it's really simple, clean, and fast way to upload your first video on YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And see you guys.